Guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at 8 sites to get free sewing patterns. Now, if you want to transition from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting, it is best you get used to PDF downloadable sewing patterns. And the best way to actually learn or to start putting your feet in the waters of digital pattern is to start with free sites that you can get free downloadable sewing patterns. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 8 websites that you can get free sewing patterns online. Now, if that is what interests you, don't go away. Stay tuned and let us start with number 8. Now, the number 8 on the list is what I call It's Always Autumn. If you put in It's Always Autumn on Google, it takes you to this page. If you're interested in sewing for your children or sewing for yourself as a female, now this is the website for you. They have all kinds of free sewing patterns, particularly for children. So you can sew for your children. If you have children, you can also sew for your cousins or your sisters that have children. So if you need free sewing patterns for children, you want to learn how to sew for children, this is the site for you. As I said, this is number 8. If you come here, you have 28 free skirt sewing patterns. So different kinds of skirts, you can download it here from this site. They really have a lot. Just try and check it out. I am sure that you will find something here that you will love to try your hands on. So that is number 8. It's always autumn.com. Now, position number 7 is called Peppermint. If you put in peppermint.com in your Google, it takes you to this page. Now, Peppermint is amazing because you can get sewing patterns for all kinds of styles. All kinds of styles, including some DIY projects. Like some of these projects like this, you can get it, padding top, different kinds of projects, tops, blouses, skirts, jumpsuits, pocket skirts, loungewear sets, all kinds of things, all kinds of styles, trousers, wrap tops, all kinds. You can go from this number 1 down a lot. You can go through here, you can see a lot that you can get from this website called Peppermint. So go ahead and check out these websites and see all the free sewing patterns that you can actually get from these amazing websites. Number 6 is So Can She. If you put in socanshe.com, it takes you to this page. Now, what I love about So Can She is that it's not just about sewing patterns. It's about bags. If you're crazy about bags and you need some free handbag patterns, you can get them here. And the good thing about So Can She is that every day they come up with new free sewing patterns for a lot of popular projects. As you can read here you will find sewing projects for all skill levels, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate person that sews, whether you're somebody that sews advanced things. You have a lot of PDF downloads that are available. And they come with tutorials, including easy step-by-step instructions, printable templates, all things you need. You can even get quilt. You can get patterns to sew for children. You can get patterns to sew for yourself and all that. There is a lot here in So Can She. There's a lot you can find here. So quickly check out this site. You will be so happy that you did. Check out this website. You will get a lot of free PDF downloadable sewing patterns for all kinds of projects, especially the bags. And they have beautiful bags, very, very beautiful bag patterns. Believe me, just come and check it out. Look at this one. Look at this bag pattern. It looks so great. So check out this, my number 6, sewcanshe.com. Now, position 5 is so easy. As the name sounds, you can get anything here, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate sewer, whether you're an advanced sewer. And it's not just patterns. You can get all kinds of things. Once you get to your website, you just go here and click on free patterns. And then you can scroll down and see all kinds of patterns, starting from a hoodie pattern, together with the tutorial on how to sew it. You can get a high-low t-shirt. A lot of patterns here. You can get things like phone wallet organizer pattern. And the good thing is that there are simple things here that has patterns that you can actually sew and sell. If you want to start looking for little things to sew and sell, you know, you can get some little things. Look at small canvas tote bags. Small canvas tote bag, very cute. There are lots of free downloadable patterns. Look at this bag. Small backpack pattern for small budgets. Look at this bag. It's so cute and it's free. You know, you can learn. If you want to learn how to make bags, you come here. Just download the free patterns, go through the tutorials on how to make them, and you can make them. You know, and because when you do that, you begin to learn how to use PDF patterns. As I always say, it's best you come and start with free patterns. You learn how PDF patterns look like before you actually say you want to start learning CAD pattern drafting. So your hands will get used to this kind of patterns and all that by using these wonderful sites, you know. Look at this one, DIY money wallet, money belt, running belt, you know. A lot of very portable things that you can get here. So go ahead, check out this website, which is my number 5, so easy.com. Now, number 4 position is sewing.com. Sewing.com has a lot of elegant, free PDF downloadable patterns. Very beautiful patterns. Look at this pattern. It's so cute. You know, it's so cute. So once you see your pattern, you just come down. You can see here, they will tell you, you can magnify the pattern here. You can also download it here, you know. There's a lot here. Look at this place, 10 DIY Roman shirt sewing tutorials and ideas. You can get a lot from this sewing.com. Look at this dress. Look at this red ruby dress. You can get the patterns. All you have to do is to come here where they say download this pattern here and click on it and you download it completely free. Look at this beautiful dress, you know. And most of these styles here, they are for plus sizes. That is, if you're a little bit, you know, healthy. I wouldn't say you're fat. If you're a little bit healthy, this is a very wonderful site for you. Because most of the sizes here are for plus sizes. You know, look at this one. It's so cute. It's amazing. Try this website. You must see something that you like, that you can, you know, so elegant dresses you can find here. You know, if you're for elegance, you know, you want to sew beautiful, nice looking dresses, you can come here. Look at cowl neck. Lots of people find it difficult to sew cowl neck dresses. You can come and try the PDF pattern here and then sew it, you know. Look at this one, a skater dress. Beautiful, nice, plus size, PDF downloadable patterns. So go ahead and try your hands on sewing.com. When you get to sewing.com, you will see their free patterns. You can download it and then try your hands on it and get used to PDF patterns. So now let's go to number 3. It's remaining, I think 3 more. Let's go to number 3. Now, my number 3 position is what I call Threadsmonthly.com. In Threadsmonthly.com, you can download hundreds. That is why it's number 3. Hundreds of free modern sewing patterns in PDF printable forms. And you get to get one free sewing pattern every Thursday as long as you sign up to their newsletter. So if you want a free pattern every Thursday, sign up. And their patterns are really, really professional looking when you download it. They are really professional looking. Now, if you scroll down when you get to the website, you see different kinds of patterns. Like here, you have a stylish aprons, 24 different kinds of it. And from these 24, you get 16 of it free. Here you find a sweater and jumper, 19 of it. From that, you get 3 free. So for every kind of patterns, you get some free ones. So all you have to do is to click the one that you want, and then you look for the free ones, and then you download it and try your hands on it. These are shirt dresses, 34 of it, t-shirt dresses, and 9 of it is free. So it's quite easy. And they do have a lot. As I said, that is why I brought it to number 3. They do have a lot. So if you just scroll down, you see a lot of it. It tells you even the amount of fabric you need, the kind of fabric you will need, instructions on how to sew it, and they're quite simple styles. So if you just want to learn how to use PDF patterns, digital patterns, you can always come to this site, and download their free patterns and try your hands on it as a beginner. So my number 3 is threadsmonthly.com. I'll put all the links to all these sites below this video, so you can just click and try your hands on the free sewing patterns that you get. So now let's go to number 2. Now my amazing number 2 website to get free sewing patterns is All Free Sewing Patterns. Allfreesewing.com. Here you will find so many patterns, you won't even know what to choose. So many. The patterns here are distributed into different sections. You have printable sewing patterns, you have skirt patterns, you have dress patterns, you have face mask patterns, bags and purse patterns, vintage sewing patterns. Whatever kind of patterns you want, you can find it in allfreesewing.com. All kinds of things, ranging from clothes to projects to bags, anything you want. Like look at this one now, Know Your Skirts Guide, And they have up a lot of ebooks too about sewing that you can actually look at if that is what interests you. But this video is all about free sewing patterns. So go ahead and check out allfreesewing.com. You will definitely find something there that will interest you. So now let's get to the number 1 website, my number 1 website for free sewing patterns. And so my number 1 free sewing pattern website where you can get your free sewing patterns is the Moodsewciety.com. This is where I get most of my free sewing patterns, but this is where I actually started to learn how to use patterns, to learn to understand what digital patterns are all about. If you want beautiful patterns, classy dresses, classy shirt patterns, pants and shorts patterns, whatever patterns you want, as long as you want very wonderful, fashionable patterns, come to Moodsewciety. You have so many kinds of beautiful patterns. You have jumpsuits, you have swimwear patterns, you have sleepwear, you have suit patterns, all kinds of patterns that you can never dream of, you will find here in Moodsewciety. And the amazing thing is that these patterns are lovely. They are so lovely. I've not seen this kind of patterns anywhere else. I don't know if there's anywhere that you have seen this kind of patterns and they are free. Please drop your comments below this video. I would like to know and I would like to check it out. Because until now, I am yet to see a site like Moodsewciety that has very beautiful patterns. In fact, I have a video that I took you through details of what Moodsewciety is all about. I talked about their free patterns. I talked about other things that you can do with Moodsewciety. So if you've not watched that video, I'm going to link it right here and I'll also link it below this video. You can go ahead and watch it. But if Moodsewciety is something you're hearing for the first time, don't hesitate. Come and check it out. You will not regret it. You'll be so captivated by the kind of patterns you will see here. You'll be so captivated. They are just lovely. So check Moodsewciety out. You will definitely find a lot of things here that you can try your hands on. And some of the things look a little bit complicated. That's why I like it. It's not so simple, but it's something that you can try your hands on. And when you get it, you will beat your chest that you've achieved something. And it comes with a lot of details on how you can sew these things. A lot. Even if you're beginning to learn how to sew, you can use Moodsewciety patterns and learn because of the details they give to you. And it comes with a lot of sizes. One of it will have, I think it's size 14 to size, in fact, a lot of sizes, almost 8 sizes for one. All you have to do is to register with your email and you can download your free pattern. That's all. Register, email, download your free patterns. So that's my number one, Moodsewciety free patterns. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. That is my 8 websites that you can get free sewing patterns. Have you by any chance used any of these websites before? What was your experience like? If you've not used any of the websites, try one or two and then drop a comment on how your experience is like. Believe me, if you're transitioning from manual to digital sewing patterns, free sewing patterns is the best place to start because you can learn to use digital patterns without having to break the bank. Start with this website before you ever think of trying to create your own digital patterns. By using this website, you get used to what digital patterns are, and then that will give you a very good idea when you want to actually start digital patterns using CAD Pattern drafting software. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, stay blessed.